And we buy a patio to the money for your lunch, and you're gonna get dinner also as usual. What do you want to say to her?
Thank you, Mr. Bless you, Mom.
You hear Miss Juliet? Mr. John say thanks and God bless you. Mr. John trim up. Oh yeah, Mr. John, you can take off your cap. Me can take off your cap and show the guys. Mr. John trim up. Look at that. Mr. John look young and fresh again. Mr. John trim up, guys. Yep.
Keep your phone close.
Yeah, keep your phone close, cause you know man. Yeah, we'll always call and check on you. Keep. You can put this in your bag, tight up in your bag, but this keep it in your pocket, but nobody can see it here. All right. So later here, me carry dinner come later. All right. Okay, guys. So we are back home. We handed the phone to Mr. John, but guys, he's not used to it. He's not used to the phone as yet. It will take him a little time to get used to it, you know. The first time my mother got a phone, she never used to it.